Natural resources and their use. What are natural resources? Natural resources are things found in nature that are useful to humans. Examples: air, water, soil, forests, animals, sunlight, wind, coal, petroleum, minerals. We use natural resources for food, water, shelter, energy, transport, farming, and making many things. When does nature become a resource? Nature becomes a resource when humans use it. Example: a tree is part of nature. When we use its wood to make a chair, it becomes a resource. A natural thing becomes a resource when it is useful, possible to access, affordable to use, accepted by society and culture. Types of natural resources. Natural resources can be divided in different ways. 1. Resources based on use. A. Resources essential for life. These are needed to live. Examples: air, water, soil, food. Without these, life cannot exist. B. Resources for materials. These are used to make things. Examples: wood for furniture, marble for buildings, iron for machines, gold for ornaments. C. Resources for energy. These give us power and fuel. Examples: coal, petroleum, natural gas, sunlight, wind, flowing water. Renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. Renewable resources can come back naturally if we use them carefully. Examples: sunlight, wind, water, forests, soil. But we should not overuse them. Example: if we cut too many trees and do not plant new ones, forests may disappear. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources take millions of years to form. They cannot be replaced quickly. Examples: coal, petroleum, natural gas, iron, copper, gold. We must use them carefully because they can get exhausted. Nature restores and regenerates. Nature has the ability to heal itself. Example: when a tree falls in a forest, it decomposes and becomes part of the soil. This helps new plants grow. This is nature's recycling system. But human actions can disturb this balance. Harmful human activities. Some human activities damage natural resources. Examples: cutting too many trees, polluting rivers, overusing groundwater, using too many chemical fertilizers, burning too much coal and petrol, overfishing, throwing industrial waste into water. These can cause pollution, water shortage, soil damage, climate change, loss of animals and plants, health problems. Distribution of natural resources. Natural resources are not found equally everywhere. Some places have coal. Some places have oil. Some places have forests. Some places have minerals. Some places have rivers. This affects where people live, where industries grow, and how trade happens. Why do conflicts happen? Sometimes many states or countries share the same resource, like A river. Example, Kaveri river water is shared by Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry. Sharing natural resources fairly is very important. Natural resource curse. Some places have many natural resources but are still poor. Why? Because they may not have good technology, good industries, skilled people, good planning, good governance. So, resources alone are not enough. We also need knowledge and proper management. Wise use of natural resources. We should use natural resources responsibly. This is called stewardship. We should save water, plant trees, reduce pollution, recycle materials, use solar and wind energy, avoid wasting resources, protect forests and animals, use non-renewable resources carefully. Punjab groundwater problem. Punjab used a lot of groundwater for farming. Reasons: paddy and wheat needed more water. Farmers pumped too much groundwater. Free electricity encouraged overuse. Chemicals polluted water. Result: groundwater level went down. Water became polluted. Health problems increased. Lesson: we should not overuse water. Cement and pollution. Cement is useful for buildings, roads, bridges, and schools. But cement factories can cause pollution. Problems: dust harms lungs, plants are affected, soil and water get polluted. Better options: mud buildings, stone, plant-based materials, recycled materials. Sikkim organic farming. Sikkim changed to organic farming. Farmers used compost, natural pest repellents, mixed crops, organic methods. Results: soil became healthy, birds and insects returned, farmers earned more. Sikkim became a 100% organic state in 2016. Solar energy in India. India is using more solar energy. Solar energy is clean and renewable. India and France started the International Solar Alliance in 2015 to promote solar power. Important keywords. Word meaning. Natural resources. Useful things found in nature. Renewable resources. Resources that can come back naturally. Non-renewable resources. Resources that cannot be replaced quickly. Regeneration. Nature's ability to create new life. Restoration. Returning something to a healthy state. Sustainability. Using resources without harming the future. Biodiversity. Variety of life on Earth. Stewardship. Responsible care of natural resources. Overexploitation. Using too much of a resource. Ecosystem services. Benefits humans get from nature. Simple summary for students. Natural resources are useful things we get from nature. They include air, water, soil, forests, minerals, sunlight, coal, and petroleum. Some resources are renewable, like sunlight and wind. Some are non-renewable, like coal and petroleum. We must use all resources wisely. If we overuse them, nature cannot restore itself. Pollution, groundwater depletion, soil damage, and climate change are results of careless use. We should protect nature, reduce waste, use renewable energy, and act responsibly for future generations.